Andra here at WEFTEC Live. We're at the Teledyne booth with Kaushal. How are you, Kaushal?
I'm doing all right. How about you?
I'm wonderful. Always good to be back at WEFTEC.
Yes, that's true.
So tell me, Kaushal, what are you showcasing here at WEFTEC?
So just now, we are talking about PFAS sampling. PFAS is very sensitive because PFAS chemicals are ubiquitous in the environment. It is present everywhere, which creates a potential source of contamination of wastewater samples. So you have to be very careful. You have to take an extra care in sampling, and that extra care starts from selection of the material that does not add or absorb any PFAS from the water sample, as well as you have to use multiple blanks for an accurate PFAS analysis.
Wow. So you are thinking way ahead of the curve here.
That's true, and because we are the leader for the wastewater sampling, so we developed a wastewater surveillance kit, which will make your PFAS sampling very easy.
Kaushal, will you tell us what is included in the kit?
Sure. So what is included is starting with a stainless steel strainer, food grade LDPE suction line, silicone pump tube and discharge tube, and single-use samples bag. That sample bags can be easily fit into our existing HDPE bottles, and that kit is available not just for one sampler but all our model, which is portable, permanent and portable refrigerated samplers. The kit can also be used with the non-ISCO samplers.
Where can we get more information on how to contact you about that?
So, of course, you can contact us at Teledyne ISCO, or you can visit teledyneisco.com to learn more about it.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for keeping us healthy. We appreciate it. Stay tuned for more at WEFTEC Live.